What if I told you you could grow your own fresh, juicy fruits at home without needing a big garden or expensive setup? Most people believe fruit trees take years to grow and require a lot of land, but that's not true at all. In fact, there are fast-growing fruit trees that thrive in containers and start producing much sooner than you expect. Whether you live in a small house, have a balcony, rooftop, or even just a sunny corner, you can turn that space into your own mini fruit garden. Imagine waking up and picking fresh lemons, sweet figs, or juicy guavas straight from your own pots. No chemicals, no high market prices, just fresh, healthy fruit anytime you want. 1. Lemon tree. Fast and beginner-friendly. The first fruit tree on our list is the lemon tree, one of the easiest and fastest-growing options for containers. Lemon trees adapt extremely well to pots and can start producing fruit within 1 to 2 years if properly cared for. They love sunlight, so place your pot in a location where it gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. Use a well-draining potting mix and a container with drainage holes to avoid root rot. Water regularly, but don't overwater. Lemons prefer slightly moist soil, not soggy. With proper feeding using organic fertilizer every few weeks, your plant will grow quickly and stay healthy. One of the best things about lemon trees is that they can produce fruit multiple times a year, giving you a continuous supply. Plus, they don't grow too large in pots, making them perfect for small spaces like balconies or rooftops. 2. Guava tree, high yield in small space. Guava trees are another excellent choice for container gardening. They grow quickly and can start fruiting within 2 to 3 years, sometimes even earlier if you use a grafted plant. Guavas are very hardy and can tolerate different climates, making them ideal for beginners. They require full sunlight and moderate watering. The key is to keep the soil well drained and slightly moist. Use a medium to large pot to allow the roots to expand properly. Regular pruning helps maintain size and encourages more fruit production. The fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Growing guava in containers ensures you get chemical-free, fresh fruit right at home. If you're looking for a low-maintenance yet productive fruit tree, guava is definitely one of the best options. 3. Fig tree, extremely fast-growing. Fig trees are known for their rapid growth and adaptability. They are one of the fastest fruiting trees you can grow in containers, often producing fruit within the first or second year. They prefer warm conditions and plenty of sunlight. A large pot with well-draining soil works best for figs. Unlike many other fruit trees, figs are quite drought-tolerant, so they don't need constant watering. Pruning is important to control their size and shape, especially in containers. This also helps improve airflow and fruit quality. Figs are sweet, nutritious, and highly rewarding to grow. Once established, a fig tree can produce a generous harvest every season. Their compact growth habit and fast production make them perfect for container gardening, especially for people who want quick results. 4. Papaya, fastest fruit producer. If you want extremely fast results, papaya is one of the best choices. It's technically not a tree, but behaves like one and grows very quickly, often producing fruit within 6 to 12 months. Papaya plants love warm weather and full sunlight. Choose a large container and ensure the soil is rich and well-draining. They require regular watering, but hate waterlogging. Keep the soil evenly moist and feed the plant with organic compost or fertilizer every few weeks. Papaya plants grow tall, but don't spread much, making them suitable for containers. You may need to support the plant as it grows. The biggest advantage is speed. Very few fruit plants can match papaya in terms of how quickly it starts producing. If you want fast, visible results, this is a must-have. 5. Banana plant, high production in pots. Banana plants are surprisingly great for containers and grow very fast. With proper care, they can produce fruit within 9 to 15 months. They require a large container, plenty of sunlight, and regular watering. Bananas are heavy feeders, so consistent fertilization is important for strong growth. Keep the soil moist but well drained. Also, remove excess suckers to allow the main plant to grow stronger and produce better fruit. Banana plants add a tropical look to your space while also being highly productive. Even if fruiting takes a bit longer, the plant grows quickly and looks beautiful. For best results, choose dwarf banana varieties, which are more suitable for container cultivation. 6. Pomegranate, compact and hardy. Pomegranate is another excellent fast-growing fruit tree for pots. It is naturally compact and adapts very well to container life. This plant is extremely hardy and can tolerate heat and dry conditions. It requires full sunlight and minimal watering compared to other fruit trees. A reliable fruit plant. Use a well-draining soil mix and a medium-sized container. Regular pruning helps maintain its shape and improves fruiting. Pomegranate trees can start producing fruit within 2 to 3 years. The fruits are rich in nutrients and have a long shelf life. Because of its low maintenance and strong adaptability, pomegranate is perfect for beginners who want. 7. Peach tree, dwarf variety for pots. Peach trees, especially dwarf varieties, are ideal for container gardening and grow relatively fast. With proper care, they can start producing fruit in about 2 years. They need full sunlight and well-draining soil. Choose a large pot and ensure good airflow around the plant. Peach trees benefit from regular pruning, which helps control size and encourages better fruit production. Spaces. They require moderate watering and occasional feeding. During flowering and fruiting stages, proper care is essential for a good harvest. Growing peaches at home means enjoying fresh, sweet fruit that tastes far better than store-bought ones. Dwarf varieties make it possible to grow this delicious fruit even in limited,